Well, we're going to need to start off with the screen itself, and these are mostly kind of landscape nowadays. They used to be much squarer, but now they're nice and wide, kind of like a movie sort of size. So you have to play with it to get something that kind of feels right. Whoops. So I'm just going to extend that little bit there. And we're not going to see much on the top, but we're going to see a little bit on the side. So this is quite slimline. And along the bottom, there's usually now a sort of a band of something or other, and a little logo. Now, to be able to work out how the stand fits exactly, draw a little line kind of in the middle there, and that's maybe down a little bit actually, and that is where the stand is fixed on the back. So then you can draw an angle coming down from there, so you'll know that this is coming out at the right place, and that's going to have a kind of a thickness to it like that, and that will be there. Now that's going to go across sideways like that, and this is going to be all parallel there, and then we're going to want these legs to sort of come out at an angle. So that will come there, and the same distance there again, that will go out that way. This is now going to come pretty much straight towards us, so we're not going to really see much going on. Maybe that'll curve down into a curve at the end and soften. That will come there and soften. And I think this will kind of come down to a point there. So we can draw this now in ink. Let's draw that on there. You might find there's a little bit of a bezel on the bottom there. There's a logo in there, and we're going to want the thickness. That's probably a bit thicker than a lot of Slimline monitors, and that will sort of come down to there. And because this is pretty much head on, you're not going to see anything on the top or the bottom. Now this is where we want to smooth things out a little bit, so watch this bit. As we come down there, we want to curve that around there, curve that around there, curve around the bottom there, and then we can maybe just sort of put a little dot there, and this can come down and sort of join that dot. Here we'll do something similar. That will now want to sort of curve around there. That will curve, and this will curve down there too. Put a little dot there and bring that down almost to the bottom like that. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines, and no one will know how you planned the whole thing. As long as you didn't press too hard in the first place, then it might be difficult to erase. So I'm going to draw some shading down there, and I'm going to draw some shading down this way as well, like that. And we're probably going to want some shading in here, so this will be quite tight together, and then that will get sort of smaller there. And I'm going to do something similar here, smaller, 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 taller, 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 and smaller, smaller around the corner there. And then if it's metal, it might have some shininess on there. We can also put some shading in behind there, and maybe we'll see a bit of shading appearing around there as well. We can put in the table, and that puts the whole thing on the table, and you might want to have a sort of cable going in around there, so you've got the HDMI cable or whatever, and the power cable going in down there. And then you might want to put in some kind of a page on the screen. So if we do that, and we call that oogle, oogle like that, and we might have something up there, something there like that, and there might be kind of a line across the bottom with some kind of stuff going on there, and that's probably all you really need to put on your screen. And there you go, how to draw a slimline computer monitor.